Honestly, it took me a while to learn how to prepare for my college classes efficiently. Before I ultimately aced a semester and received a 4.0 GPA for a college semester, it took a lot of self-motivation, self-control, and a few tears. Hello fellas, welcome back to the channel. I know you are struggling to achieve that perfect score, just like me. However, worry not. In this video, I will provide you with all the tips and skills I learned throughout the years to gain an A+ grade. Let's get the video started. It might be challenging to get all A's, especially when just starting college. Effective study habits take time to perfect, but once you do, you'll be well on getting the grades you want. Good study habits can have additional advantages. Better study habits can enhance your confidence and understanding of the course material, which will lessen the stress of timed quizzes or final examinations if you struggle with test anxiety. The most crucial step is creating a study strategy that works for you, since everyone succeeds in various ways. Once you figure out what works, it may transform everything. Now let's hop on to learning the tips journey. Number 10. Organize the materials for the class. Early on, create a system of organization that will help you remember everything you'll need for your academics and extracurricular activities. Do something that considers your particular organizational skills and limitations, keeping in mind that no one strategy will be effective for all pupils. Include online organization if possible. Knowing when and where to access crucial materials can be challenging, especially when there are many calendars and documents to keep track of. More and more students are discovering that using digital tools like Slack or Google Drive may help them organize their time and keep track of their online resources. Number 9. Never skipping a class. What will you do if Monday morning arrives and you feel tired or uninspired? Even while it would be alluring to stay in bed and reason that just one missed class won't harm you, doing so is a dangerous habit to develop. When your course builds gradually on the abilities or information you learned in the first several weeks, even one missed class might lead you to fall far behind. Number 8. Maintain your physical well-being. Sleep. 8 hours is the recommended amount of sleep, while some require 9. Lack of sleep might impact your performance and concentration while studying. If you have trouble going to bed early, consider easing yourself into it gradually. Food. You'll be able to concentrate better when studying and making the most of your study time if you eat well. Be sure to eat regular meals throughout the day. Drink enough water, avoid drinking too many sugary beverages, and consume lots of fruits and vegetables, just as your parents and physicians have always advised you. Exercise. Exercise enhances your memory and thinking processes, according to research. You may significantly improve your academic performance by studying each week thrice for 30 to 45 minutes. Number 7. Don't cram for exams. Although it may feel like a normal aspect
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Additionally, this area may be a fantastic barrier to typical distractions like social media or conversations with other students. Do you view your time in class as active or passive? If you often observe and take notes while other students speak in class, set a goal for yourself to speak out and participate. The simplest place to begin? Pose inquiries. If you have trouble getting motivated in class, feel free to create them in advance. Speaking up will make it simpler for you to participate actively. Number 1. Collaborate with other motivated students. It might be a great resource to work on your studies with other motivated individuals. You will probably feel inspired to do the same if those around you are working hard. Study groups are also a terrific way to exchange ideas with classmates, pick up new study habits, and obtain assistance with big projects or examinations, especially if you are all enrolled in the same courses. These suggestions can help you improve your grades while also helping you gain other abilities like time management and communication that will be crucial in the future. Even while qualities won't be as important after college, having a strong work ethic will always be important. You may set yourself up for success in and out of the classroom by establishing productive study habits today. Additional tip: what else can you learn? We may learn from these lessons that studying needs to be done at the appropriate time, place, and mood, in addition to the value of quality over quantity. Another thing to learn is that taking notes should be done in a certain method, and that quantity is not as important as quality. Keep them in the appropriate file, please. Asking the proper questions will help you discover the required information without going too far. Remember that while getting straight A's is a terrific objective, it shouldn't come at the expense of your health. Thank goodness, neither of these values must be chosen. Your health and grades can both be improved with moderation and shrewd study techniques. It's time to work toward your lofty objective now that you know how to be an A student. To start your semester well, start putting the advice mentioned above into practice. That's all we have on our list for today. Comment down below to tell us your ways of getting an A+. And if you lack in achieving such results, you can use our given tips for better results. Subscribe and ring the bell icon to receive notifications on the latest updates. See you all later.